My name is Rebecca Thomas and I am the Regional Project Manager for the West Wales Befriending Links project. As Age Cymru partners, we realise anecdotally through the services we offer and also through research that older people were feeling isolated. We live in rural communities, but we also live in towns. But whether people were part of a crowd or living by themselves on a lane at the end of a road, people were feeling isolated. Our staff have supported older people to set up many groups across West Wales. We currently have 50 groups running, from a tea dance of 70 members that meet in Kidwelly to 6 older peoples who discuss incredible books in Lampeter in a coffee shop each week. We wanted to make a difference. We realised that older people wanted to improve their confidence. We realised that people wanted to be back involved in their local communities, and we also wanted to see a delay in statutory intervention. The project now has over 50 groups meeting from Aberystwyth to Buryport, from Pembroke Dock to Ystrad Owen in Carmarthenshire. We have over 2,000 older people involved in the project every week, and we're seeing a real difference in people's lives. We've seen people's confidence develop, and some people have come along to be part of the group as a client and have actually realised that they've got the skills to lead the group, whether it be from making tea and coffee to planning the agenda and what they're going to look at, or whether it be organising trips and handling the finances. Several of our groups have gone on to be constituted and to actually apply for funding themselves, and we're so pleased that these groups will be a legacy that we will leave across West Wales. But when I think of the 2,000 people, I also think of the one, and I think of people like Betty who moved back to Wales to live the rural dream that her and her husband had craved for so long. Betty who, sadly after 6 months, realised that her husband's health was deteriorating, and instead of enjoying that vibrant retirement that they looked forward to, unfortunately she became a carer. After her husband passed away, Betty felt very lonely and isolated. Her own mental and physical health started to deteriorate. Unfortunately, Betty became linked into social services, and it was a referral from a social worker that brought us into contact with Betty. Through meeting Betty, our local coordinator was able to tell her about different community groups that she could engage with. And something as simple as going out every week has made a tremendous difference to Betty's life. She now no longer has to rely on the help of social services. She no longer feels as isolated as she once did, but she said that she never thought it was possible to make the most of later life in the way that she has. You see, this project is simple, but it's not simplistic. It's making a tremendous difference in the well-being, both mental and physical, of older people.